Welcome to another episode of Drive With Me. Hi sunshine, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, your friendly Jamaican tour guide. And if you're interested in Jamaican vlogs, historical videos, and real-to-life views of the streets of Montego Bay, then you are on the right channel. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my weekly videos. Let's get started. Okay, so in one of my previous videos, I did a tour from Doom Street to Harbour Street, down Barnett Street. Today, we're going to be taking Creek Street from a different angle. You're going to see the intersection. It's going to look familiar to you soon. And right now, we're coming up on First Church. This is Creek Street. We're coming up on First Church, and we're coming up on the Creek Dome, which is at the intersection of Dome and Creek Street. That is Dome Street. Okay, so now we're gonna go on to Humber Avenue, and this part of the video will look familiar to you because in the video that I mentioned previously, we did travel to Barnett Street via Humber Avenue. However, for today's video, we're not going to go down Barnett Street. We're going to turn off on a back road. We're going to go on Car Crescent, and that's going to take you out to where you can go to Westgate Hills or Westgate Shopping Center. So we are just taking a different route today. Okay, so right now we're currently on Humber Avenue. There's a road that goes up to St. James High School there, and now we're on Cottage Road. And this is where we have the Jarrett Park Stadium over that side. And the road that goes up the hill is where Mount Salem is and Cornwall Regional Hospital. And now still on Cottage Road. Now we're still on Cottage Road here. And now all of these back streets going to the right. They can take you back in town. So now we're going on Car Crescent. And if we continued on the road, we would have gone to Clock and then turn right onto Barnett Street. So this is Car Crescent that we're on now. I think this road that we're turning on is Dudley Cassin or Miriam Way. I'm not sure. I think it's Dudley Cassin.
Or Dudley Cassin. There's some. So we sure some just sit through the
All right, and so now we are turning on Miriam Way. So to the left will take you to Westgate Hills, and if you turn to the right, it will take you to the Westgate Shopping Center. And if you're interested in seeing a tour of the Westgate Shopping Center, here's a video. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my sunshines. Remember, if you're my tribe, then subscribe. You know what to do. Hit that button and turn it blue. See you next time.